Hi, it's Cara Brown, and this is Watercolor Conversations. It's a place where I share my love of watercolor and my seeking, my teaching, my discoveries, the connections I see, and just in general what it's like to be alive at this time here on planet Earth. I hope that this meets a part of you that's longing to be met. Thanks for being here. I'm taking on a project. This has been bouncing around inside of me for some time now, and that is I want to revisit the blog posts that I wrote from October 2014 until the end of 2017. I think I did not miss a week. Well, maybe I did miss a couple towards the end of the summer of 2017 when I hiked up Mount Whitney. I know I did not post from the top of Mount Whitney, but I was really faithful. Anyway, it's a lot of writing. And when I review them every now and then, I think, this is pretty good stuff. Maybe I should share it again. But instead of just posting it again, I want to revisit at least some of them with my voice, talking to you, rather than just with words on a screen. So I'm not sure how many I'm going to do. I'm not sure how frequently they'll come out. But amidst everything else that I do, paint and teach and cook and take care of husband and dog and house, I want to share with you my thoughts, these things that came to me. And it's all about this thing we call watercolor conversations, the intersection of life and creating, especially in watercolor, although it does apply to pretty much any kind of creating you want to with your imagination. And being a thoughtful person, because I can't help it. My being is full of thoughts, so I guess that makes me thoughtful. I think a lot, and I make connections, and I try to sort things out. So there'll be a lot of that, my sorting things out and sharing what happens after I sort, because I'm also a sorter. Maybe that's another part of me I haven't shared, but I love to sort things. So welcome, and I hope you enjoy. I love to hear from you. I will include with each podcast a link to the actual original writing so that you can read if that's your fancy, but it won't be exactly the same. So thanks for being here. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoy.